Alright folks, today we're going to be trying to straighten out this stencil fan blade right here from one of my Dixie Bells. From my grandma's Dixie Bell that is in her garage. I'm going to try to straighten it out with some different techniques here. So maybe, have you guys ever tried this? Like try clapping it with your hands like this. Like try doing this with it. And let's see if that made any difference. Not really much of a difference. It still has a bit of warpage there. You can kind of see it kind of is warped. Yeah, it kind of is warped. So let's try it on the bottom. Like this. And just start clapping. And let's see if that made any difference. No, not really much of a difference, but maybe it's a helpful tip if you want to know how to do it. Yeah, I didn't really see much of a difference there. Still a little bit of warpage there. Not sure if that's the right way to fix it, but yeah. Enjoy, guys.